Hello, this video is about global warming, or as it's more kind of correctly known, climate change, and particularly man's effect on climate change. So first of all, we know a few things unequivocally. Population is rising. In my lifetime, population of the Earth has gone up from 4 or 5 billion to over 7 billion now, and that hasn't been that long. And the other thing we know is that humans, as a result of their cars, their industry, their lifestyle, are producing waste, pollution, and that pollution might be in the form of like household waste, but it will also be in the form of gas emissions, among them the ones I've listed here: carbon dioxide, methane, that's CH4, nitrous oxide, which is N2O, and other things like sulfur dioxide, which is not a greenhouse gas, what we're coming on to, but sulfur dioxide causes acid rain, for example. So there are many pollutions that come from human industry. Now, on the subject of greenhouse gas and how it contributes to global warming, these gases get into the atmosphere. I've kind of painted it as this yellow cloud, and they trap the Earth's heat. The Earth radiates heat as infrared, and these gases are opaque to infrared, so they stop the heat radiating into space. Now, the effects of these can be many. The ice caps will melt, and so that will cause rising sea levels. But also the change in global watercourses means that areas of land will undergo desertification. They'll dry up, they won't have the rainfall, they won't be served by rivers in the same way, and so that will mean loss of habitats and arable farmland in desertification, as well as the massive population migration we're going to see as ocean levels rise. So that's a few things to know about global warming. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.